Woodworking has been your hobby for many months now, and you're on fire. You've created a nice walnut center table that now sits in your living room, as well as a simple cedar console table that your wife really loves. You're planning to take on more projects, but you're not satisfied with your old project's finish. You've sanded them as best as you could, but you can still see and feel some imperfections on the wood that you're tempted to redo them. There are many products available to choose the best belt sanders, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best belt sanders from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. WEN 6502T Belt and Disc Sander. The WEN 6502T Belt and Disc Sander is a reliable and versatile tool that offers both belt and disc sanding options. With its 4.3 amp motor, it provides ample power for sanding various materials. The 6x48-inch belt and 6-inch diameter disc allow for efficient sanding over large areas. The adjustable belt platform tilts from 0 to 90 degrees, making it suitable for beveling and sanding at different angles. When it comes to versatility and quality, there's no doubt that the WEN 6502T belt and disc sander is the king. Its powerful 4.3 amp and 1/2 HP motor deliver as much as 3,600 RPM. Unlike other belt sanders, this one has an adjustable belt that you can tilt and allows you to sand hard-to-reach areas of your workpiece. If you're a hobbyist and you're not after portability, then this might be the belt sander for you, as the base is made of tough cast iron. WEN has also made a steel base available for those who want a more affordable version of this machine. Number 2. Makita 9403 Belt Sander. The Makita 9403 Belt Sander is a powerful and professional-grade tool designed for heavy-duty sanding tasks. Its impressive 11-amp motor delivers exceptional performance and speed. With a 4x24-inch belt, it covers a wide surface area, making it ideal for sanding large wooden planks and floors. The auto-tracking belt system keeps the belt centered during operation, avoiding any unwanted deviations. This sander also features a low noise level and a dust collection bag, keeping your work area clean. Though it may be pricier, the Makita 9403 offers outstanding results and durability, making it a top choice for professionals. The Makita 9403 belt sander is the ideal tool if you're a contractor, a professional woodworker, or a floor installer. This is nothing less than a beast of a machine thanks to its powerful 11-amp motor and speed that can reach up to 1,640 feet per minute. This Makita belt sander is pricier than most. In fact, it is the most expensive tool on the list. Consider its hefty price tag if you're just going to use it during weekends and it's going to sit around in your garage gathering dust most of the time. Number 3. WEN 6321 3-inch x 21-inch Belt Sander. The WEN 6321 Belt Sander is a compact and affordable option suitable for light to medium-duty sanding tasks. With a 7-amp motor, it delivers sufficient power for most DIY projects. The 3x21-inch belt size enables efficient material removal, and the variable speed control allows you to adjust the sanding speed to your preference. Its comfortable grip, lightweight design make it easy to maneuver and control. The included dust collection bag minimizes the mess created during sanding. While it may not be the most heavy-duty option, the WEN 6321 offers excellent value for the price. Everyday DIYers on a budget understand that there's nothing wrong with going for a less expensive and less feature-heavy alternative to the market's higher-end belt sanders. The WEN 6321 corded belt sander with dust bag is one such model, but it doesn't scrimp on performance. The WEN 6321, powered by a 7-amp motor that rotates its 3-inch by 21-inch belt at over 13 feet per second, equals the quality of a higher-end model at a fraction of competitors' price. Number 4. SKIL 7510-01 Sandcat Belt Sander. The SKIL 7510-01 Sandcat Belt Sander is a compact and lightweight tool designed for easy handling and maneuverability. With a 6-amp motor and 3x18-inch belt, it is suitable for light to medium-duty sanding tasks. The pressure control technology alerts you when applying too much pressure, preventing damage to the work surface. The microfiltration system captures fine dust particles, keeping the work area cleaner. The auto-track belt alignment ensures the belt stays centered during operation. While it may lack the power and durability of higher-end models, the SKIL 7510-01 Sandcat Belt Sander offers an affordable option for casual users and small projects. The SKIL 7510-01 Sandcat Belt Sander has performed well for the most part. It's not as long or as wide as other sand belters on the list, but its performance is fantastic considering its size. I've mentioned that I like its clear plastic canister with its microfiltration feature. It catches dust most of the time, but there are instances when some of the dust still escapes the canister. It's best to attach it to your shop vac if you want a cleaner workshop. Number 5. Genesis GBS 321A Belt Sander. The Genesis GBS 321A Belt Sander is a budget-friendly option that provides decent performance for light sanding tasks. With its 8-amp motor and 3x21-inch belt, it can handle small to medium-sized projects. The single-lever belt change system makes switching belts quick and straightforward. It also features an adjustable front handle and a variable speed control dial for added versatility. While it may lack some advanced features found in higher-end models, the Genesis GBS 321A is a reliable option for occasional use and DIY enthusiasts on a budget. If you're looking for a budget belt sander that you're going to use occasionally, then the Genesis GBS 321A belt sander might just be the tool for you. This is a compact and lightweight tool that performs well thanks to its 8-amp motor. The one thing that keeps this belt sander from working well is its crappy dust bag. The dust bag itself is not durable, while the zipper easily breaks. It's best to attach a shop vac with a compatible nozzle than use the dust bag. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.